गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
Hello everyone, welcoming you all on today's online session for Statistics, Standard 11, Chapter number 2, Presentation of Data. Till now we have solved till section D. Now coming to section E. Okay. Number of section E, question number 1. Number of mangoes received from different trees of mangoes in a farm during a season of 30 days is as under. Prepare a frequency distribution by using the class length 5. We got to take the class length as 5. Okay. So let us find the minimum number. So as I can see, the minimum number is 92 and the maximum number I can see here is 128. Okay. So let me find the range. Highest minus lowest, 128 minus 92, it is 36. Okay, we are given the class length, so K equal to R upon C, 36 upon 5, around 7.2, means on average 8 class it will be. कम से कम यहाँ पे 8 क्लास बनेंगे. Okay, minimum है 92 and maximum है 128. Okay, what is given to us? Number of mangoes. Okay. Table showing number of mangoes. Okay. So I can see 30 days in a week is given. Okay. I can draw it here over class, over to here telemarks, and over here number of days. हमें बोला गया है 5 का क्लास लेंथ, मिनिमम 92 है, तो आई विल ड्रॉ फ्रॉम 90 to 94, 95 to 99, 100 to 104, 105 to 109, 110 to 114, 115 to 119, 120 to 124 and 125 to 129 total. Okay, now based on this I'll make a telemarks. 94, 98, 128. 94, 98, 128, 94, 98, 128, 96, 123, 112, 96, 123, 112, 100, 102, 103, 100, 102, 103, 104, 125, 92, 104, 125, 92, 122, 95, 114, 122, 95, 114, 107, 125, 101, 107, 125, 125, 101, 101, 108 15 13, 108 15 13, 6 4 18, 106 104 18, 19 14 24, 19 14 24, 29 18, 20 109 18. So this is 2, this is 3, this is 5 plus 1 6, this is 4 4 4 4 3, total 5 11 15 19 23 26 27 30. Got the final answer as 30. Coming to question number 2. The data regarding the earnings of 40 rickshaw drivers during a certain day are as follows. Prepare a frequency distribution having one class as 220 to 239 and class length of 20. Okay. So let me check the lowest number. 210 दिख रहा है and highest number is 355. हमें ऑलरेडी बोला गया कि एक क्लास आपको ड्रॉ करना है यहाँ पे 220 से लेके 239. तो फिर लेट मी सी, हमें क्या दिया हुआ है 40 ऑटो रिक्शा, अर्निंग्स ऑफ 40 ऑटो रिक्शा. टेबल showing earning of 40 auto rickshaw. Okay. We are given with a class of 220 से लेके 239 हमें लेके रखा है. Class, telemarks and frequency. से लेके 239 दिया है, तो ऊपर का क्लास क्या होगा 200 से लेके 219. ओके, कब तक जाना पड़ेगा 300 क्या कवर करना है मुझे यहाँ पे 355. ओके, 240 से लेके 259, 260 से लेके 279, 280 से लेके 299, 300 से लेके 319, 320 से लेके 339, 340 से लेके 359. हमें कोई रेंज फाइंड करने की रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं हुई क्योंकि मुझे ऑलरेडी एक क्लास बना के देखिए रखा हुआ ही था, तो मुझे कोई इतनी प्रॉब्लम आई नहीं. ओके, 285 328, 285 328, 210 310, 210 310, 215 294, 215 294. Be careful with telemarks. 235 290, 235 290, 200 266, 200 266, 275 264, 275 264, 225 335, 225 335, 305 228, 305 228, 255 330, 255 330, 255 330, 332 236, 332 236, 250 270, 250 270, 355 336, 355 336, 235 315, 235 315, 307, 356, 307, 356, 242, 275, 242, 275, 230, 322, 230, 322, 298, 245, 298, 245, 348, 215, 348, 215, 312, 265, 312, 265, 350, 345, 350, 345, 350 and 345, right? Okay, so this is 4, this is 6, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 5. 4 plus 6, 10, 20, 24, 29, 35, 40. 40. Coming to question number 3. Information on monthly water consumption of 50 residents of a region is as under. By taking one of the classes 25 to 30, इसमें भी एक क्लास देखे रखा हुआ है मुझे ऑलरेडी. Prepare exclusive continuous condition. Exclusive करना है मुझे यहाँ पे. Minimum number मुझे दिख रहा है 24 and maximum I can see it is 57. Okay, information इसका दिया है 50 residents. Question number 3. Table showing information of 50 residents. Okay, so class एक क्लास जो बना के दिया वो कौन सा है 25 से 30. इसमें तो एक औरत नहीं होगा. 24 चाहिए. चलो ठीक है 24 चाहिए. देख लेते हैं. एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी 25 to 30 है तो उसके ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा. 20 से लेके 25, 25 to 30 कहाँ पे जाना पड़ेगा. 57 है हमारे पास. 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Total. I will have 10 months fast. 24, 28, 28, 24, 28, 28, 36, 28, 36, 28, 34, 35, 26, 34, 35, 35 नीचे आएगा. 26, 26, 30, 36, 30, 36, 41, 40, 42, 41, 40, 42, 44, 32, 44, 32, 55, 48, 49, 55, 48, 49, 33, 57, 33, 57, 45, 35, 47, 45, 35, 47, 31, 25, 31, 25, 25, 44, 33, 25, 44, 33, 30, 29, 30, 29, 40, 27, 52, 40, 27, 52, 39, 35, 39, 35, 38, 57, 38, 57, 52, 52, 25, 44, 25, 44, 40, 42, 40, 42, 28, 24, 28, 24, 50, 50, 44, 30, 44, 30, 34, 47, 56, 34, 47, 56, 2, 10, 8, again 8, again 10, then 5, then 3, then 4, 2, 10, 12, 20, 28, 38, 38, 43, 46, 50. I hope so you are very much clear how to make the telemarks. Okay. So yes, you can easily solve it out. काफी easy आपके लिए भी इसको solve यहाँ पे कर लेना. Just you got to concentrate on the numbers properly. Cut one by one into two numbers all together and then draw the telemarks. तो आपके लिए भी जल्दी होगा. आप बीच में confuse भी नहीं होंगे. कट करेंगे बाई चांस किसी ने आपको डिस्टर्ब कर दिया इन बिटवीन द एग्जामिनेशंस तो आप कंफ्यूज होंगे हमने जितना काटा है उतना आपने टेलीमार्क्स यहाँ पे किया हुआ है. Once again go through it very well. Design the board itself. एक बार आप आराम से देख लीजिए क्या किया है कैसे किया हुआ है. These steps are going to be asked in the examination for almost 2 or 3 marks. So small marks भी है कि आप 80% आप स्कोर कर सकते हो. So it's better. It's very much simple sums are done. अब इसलिए आप स्कोरिंग यहाँ पे है properly scoring you can have in statistics and accountancy as well. Just you need to practice daily. That's it. What you require now. Coming to question number 4, the data obtained by inquiring price of an item of 50 different stocks are as under. Prepare a frequency distribution having the last class as 85 to 90. One of the class will be 85 to 90. Let me check the minimum number. As I can see, it is 60. The minimum number I can see is 60. Yes, 60, yeah. And the maximum number I can say is 86. So they already told the last class up 85 to 90 यहाँ पे होगा. Okay, 60 है तो start करते हैं हम 60 से लेके क्या दिया हमने different stocks के बारे में. Price of an item of 50 different stocks. Question number 4. Table showing price of items of 50 different stocks. So class, telemarks and the frequency. Okay. 60 से स्टार्ट करें 85 to 90 तक जाना है. 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, 85 to 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Yes. Total. I want you people to solve it right now. Hope so you are having the textbooks. Prepare the table, I give you the time. I'll tell the numbers, listen to it properly, and then draw the telemarks. Come on, prepare the table fast. I want this table to be drawn fast. Prepare it. I'll utter the number, and then you have to make the telemarks based on that. Okay? Make the table fast. So many students were not having the textbooks. I know that very well. So I'll try my level best to cover up each and everything on the whiteboard itself as much as it is possible for me. और जितना मैं आपको करवाता हूँ आपको उतना ही करना है एट प्रेजेंट। फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर यू डोंट हैव टू सॉल्व द डायग्राम्स ग्राफ्स, आपको ड्रॉ पे नहीं करना है, ठीक है। सिर्फ हमें सम सॉल्व करना है। होप सो यू प्रिपेयर द टेबल नाउ। प्रिपेयर द टेली मार्क्स starting with number 82, 7070, 6666, 7979, 8585, 75, 70, 75, 69, 66, 73, 72, 71, 80, 80, 69, 70, 62, 82, 63, 85, 84, 64, 69, 66, 70, 79, 80, 70, 75, 60, 79, 85, 72, 68, 7070, 77, 64, 80, 80, 78, 75, 80, 75, 66, 86, 79, 66, 65, 70, 66 and 86. Now total your tally marks. Make it fast. Total the tally marks whichever you have drawn, and then I'll tell the answer even. Check the answer with me. The first class 6 to 65 have tally marks 5. Then 65 to 70, 11. 70 to 75, again 11. 75 to 80, again 11. 80 to 85, 7. 85 to 90, 5. Total is 50. Total is 50. One more sum from my side. One more sum from my side. Write it down. Write the question. The following is the weight of 30 students studying in Standard 11th of Moni International School. Okay, write the numbers. 81, 36, 35, 42, 49, 56, 61, 75, 78, 39, 52, 9090, 81, 37, 36, 59, 54, 29, 22, 27, 47, 55, 60, 70, 50, 40, 30, 80. I hope so. I have given 30 numbers. Okay. Prepare a class of inclusive frequency distribution having a class as 40 to 49. Having a class as 40 to 49. To solve all the 4 sums. 3 sums I have already done in the board itself. 1 sum you have solved even. 1 more sum I have given you for extra practice. So please try to solve it. Solve this sum again and again. So आपको 10 marks की habit हो जाएगी. Yes, this is going to be asked in the examination for 2 to 3 marks. More than 1 sums I am going to ask you up. So please students be careful with that. Okay, practice this type of sums even है बहुत easy. But आप एक टेली मार्क्स यहाँ से वहाँ कर दोगे तो आपका आंसर तो आ जाएगा. We get the answer, I know it very well. 50 आ जाएगा, but ये wrong हो जाएगा. So it's better we try it hard. जितना हो सके possible आप इसको try आप करें. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning. Hope you are enjoying our studies. Thank you once again.